Stop settling for a slow workflow. Seriously, if your internet lags, your laptop struggles with 4K edits, or your desk is a mess of dongles, you are losing time. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a setup that just works, starting with the foundation, your power and internet. First, let's fix your internet. If you have dead zones, you need a mesh system. If you're on a budget but want the latest tech, look at the TP-Link Deco 7 BE25. This is a dual-band Wi-Fi 7 system. It delivers speeds up to 5 gigabits. It uses multi-link operation, MLO, which lets devices send data across different bands simultaneously. No more choosing between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. It just picks the fastest lane. But if you are a power user, gamer, streamer, or running a home server, step up to the TP-Link Deco 7 Pro BE63. The difference? This is tri-band. You get that extra 6 gigahertz band, which is like a private highway for your newest devices. It's strictly for avoiding congestion in crowded neighborhoods. Now, if you want something set it and forget it and you're deep in the Amazon ecosystem, the Amazon eero 6 Plus is your answer. It's not Wi-Fi 7, but it's the most reliable gigabit mesh for the price. It doubles as a smart home hub for your lights and locks, perfect for the smart home beginner. Next, let's declutter. You cannot have a pro setup with cheap power bricks. This is the Anker 317 laptop charger. It's 100 watts but tiny. It charges a MacBook Pro fast enough to keep up with heavy editing, yet fits in your pocket. And for connectivity, the Anker USB C Hub 555. Don't buy cheap hubs that overheat and disconnect your hard drives. This Anker hub has pass-through charging and an HDMI port that actually supports 4K at 60 Hz, essential for creators. Now, the brains of the operation, the 2024 Mac Mini with M4 chip. Dollar for dollar, this is the best value computer on the planet right now. The M4 chip destroys desktops twice its size. If you already have a monitor and keyboard, buy this. Do not overspend on a laptop if you never leave your desk. But if you need to move, you have two choices. First, the 2025 MacBook Air 15-inch. For writers, students, and business owners, it's impossibly thin, the screen real estate is gorgeous, and the M4 chip inside handles 90% of tasks effortlessly. It's the best laptop for most people. However, if time is money, you get the 2025 MacBook Pro with the M5 chip. This is a portable studio. The M5 architecture brings a massive leap in AI processing and 3D rendering speeds. While the Air is for consumption, the M5 Pro is for creation. If you render video, compile code, or design in 3D, this machine pays for itself in saved hours. So, are you building a stationary powerhouse with the Mac Mini or a mobile studio with the M5 MacBook Pro? Either way, make sure your Wi-Fi and power can keep up. I've linked every single one of these upgrades in the description below so you can check the current prices. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.